Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a tech stock, one that we haven't taken a look at in a very long time. It's a very well-performing tech stock, actually. Really good performance in recent weeks and months. It's the Netflix chart. You probably all know it. You might have your favorite movies on there that you're watching, binge watching all the time. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the video description. If you register on this website, you get access to all of our updates completely for free. So we want to take a look at the tech stocks section. And here we navigate to the Netflix chart and we take a look at the weekly chart. I think very important. I can't remember that we've ever looked at it. I think we might have a long time ago. So the current very strong performance that actually started in 2022, we see that as a third wave rally. And it's starting to get a bit choppy up there, as you can see. So the clean movements that happened here in the beginning, they seem to be over. It's getting choppy, which is normal as we're getting to the late stages of a third wave. Remember that a third wave itself also consists of 5 waves. And once we get into these wave 4, 5 patterns at the end, it's typically getting a bit messy. But the idea is that we are likely now in a third wave, possible upside target range around $1,270 to $1,432 here between the 261.8 Fibonacci extension and the 300% Fibonacci extension. So it's a very, very important target area up there. We are probably going to reach it, and we take a look at the smaller time frame chart in a minute. But it gives you a good idea of where things should be going. Now that wave 4 will probably be quite substantial when it happens. You can see that the wave 2 also took years to develop. Oftentimes a wave 2 and a wave 4, they have kind of a similar duration. It's not a strict rule, but they tend to have a similar duration. So yeah, expectations are we're pushing higher, potentially in a third wave towards that area. And then after that wave 4, which would be a higher low, has formed, we should get one more high in quite an aggressive 5th or 5th wave that should then complete the entire move to the upside. Now, bear in mind, this is the weekly chart, really large time frame. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well, which gives you a better idea of what's happening here on the nano level. No, not the nano level, the micro level, smaller time frames. And you can see that we have a series of 1-2-1-2 setups on this chart. The current thesis is that we are likely starting wave 5 just now. Actually, we have started it already when we hit the $812 level just a couple of weeks ago, and we could now be moving up in the 5th wave. Important is that the market has now broken above the 3rd wave high that formed earlier in the year at around $1,067. And we're now probably on our way to that target area that I showed you on the larger time frame. Seems like we're currently, what we need to complete this pattern is wave 5 in magenta, off wave 3, another wave 4, and another wave 5. If you're wondering what is that, well, that's all of this. That will be beige wave 3. So we need basically another higher high on the smaller time frame. This is the 4-hour chart, another higher low, and another higher high. That should complete beige wave 3. You just don't see it labeled here. But yeah, that should take us into this area, 1,270 to 1,430, at least roughly. We can refine that, but if you're registered on the website, then you get all this information anyway. Well, what shouldn't happen now in this scenario is a break back below $812. We want to avoid that because it would lead to invalidation of this microstructure. I mean, we could then maybe make some adjustments here, but I would tell you that this would then look a bit strange. It might be that the top will then be the 3rd wave, so things might move a little bit, but it wouldn't probably change the bigger picture. But for now, preference is that this last low holds and we're pushing towards their target area. That should give you a good idea of where we are heading. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, make sure that you also register on our website. It's completely for free. And please let me know which other tech stocks you would like to see on this channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.